Good morning, everyone. I'm back. It's Sunday and we're gonna check out the west side of Molokai Island. And I made this little picnic lunch. This is like a little sushi pouch. Fried rice. Hi, my friend. I am ready. Alright, gonna explore west side of Molokai. Molokai. Okay, you ready? Alright, let's go. Do you have the key?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Horse, make. I think that's what's called. Make horse. Is it? Make horse, make. I don't remember the name of the beach, but we're going to the beach. Oh! It's heavy.
I know.
We're here. We're at.
Where are we?
Make horse? Yeah, make horse. Correction. It is not make horse. It's called Maki horse. Beach time. Did you lock the car? Oh, you did? I think we are the only one out here. There's like no car. Maybe like they walk from the condo or resort. Damn. Do you hear that wave? Crashed. That sounds yeah, that is paved. Right there. Beach time. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Here.
God dang.
I don't think I wanna go in that water. Scary. This ocean is gonna eat us alive.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, for sure. Yes. Alright.
You want a paddleboard?
No! That was crazy. Can get sucked by the wave. Imagine, like, how is it? It's a spoon. There's spoon for the sushi pouch.
How is it?
Like this? So bright. It's not too sunny. It's actually nice. Feels nice. Well, this beach is too rough. Can't swim, we can't paddleboard here, we can't fish here, so we're gonna migrate to the east side of the island. East side, east side. It's more like human, family friendly. Well, we know what to expect on this side.
Bye, Death Island. Bye, Death Beach.
Oh my gosh. Now I have like whole sandals and whole sands in my sandals.
Go-kart in here now. Subaru.
Oh my gosh. Oh. So rough here.
We're going to the west side. She's like,
oh my god. Watch out for that big rock. Oh my god.
Which way I went last time?
I think it went that way, yeah. Oh, that tree. I'm not coming back here again.
I'm a professional.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's nice. A little resort out here.
I mean, that paved walkway is really nice.
The tires are holding.